Superdrive SV450 Racing Steering Wheel with pedals and shifters, Xbox Series X/S, Switch, PS4, Xbox One, PS3, PC. Programmable for all games. Tired of playing racing games with a clunky controller? The Superdrive SV450 Racing Wheel brings the adrenaline of the track right to your fingertips without breaking the bank. Compatible with Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and PC, this feature-packed wheel delivers paddle shifters, dual vibration feedback, and a fully programmable setup for an immersive racing experience. Whether you're drifting in Forza Horizon, mastering corners in Gran Turismo, or causing chaos in GTA 5, the SV450's 180 degrees rotation, non-slip pedals, and suction cup mount keep you in control. Plus, with plug-and-play ease across multiple consoles, it's perfect for casual racers and weekend speed demons alike. But is it worth your cash? We're breaking down its performance, pros, and pitfalls to help you decide. Buckle up! Your next gaming upgrade starts here. Design and build quality, physical dimensions, and weight. The Superdrive SV450 has the following specifications. Product dimensions: 9.84x, 98.43x, 114.17 inches. Note: these seem unusually large, likely a typo. Actual wheel diameter is around 10 to 12 inches. Weight: 3.97 pounds, 1.8 kilograms. The wheel is compact yet sturdy, making it suitable for both desktop and living room setups. Steering wheel construction. Material: plastic with rubberized grips for better handling. Size: approximately 10 to 11 inches in diameter, similar to most entry-level wheels. Buttons and controls: paddle shifters, metal finish. D-pad, action buttons, A, B, X, Y, home button. Sensitivity adjustment buttons. Vibration motors, dual motors for force feedback effects. Pedal set, 2-pedal setup, accelerator and brake. Non-slip rubber base to prevent sliding. Plastic construction, not as sturdy as metal pedals but functional for casual play. Mounting system, suction cup, mounting for flat surfaces. Works best on smooth tables. Clamp mechanism, not as strong as high-end wheels but sufficient for light use. Verdict: the build is decent for its price, but don't expect premium materials like Logitech or Thrustmaster wheels. Compatibility and connectivity. Supported platforms. The SV450 is compatible with Xbox Series X/S, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, PS4, PS4 Slim, PS4 Pro, PlayStation 3, PS3, Nintendo Switch, PC, Windows 10 11s. Connection methods: USB wired connection, primary method. Micro USB for Xbox, PS4. Sync, required for console recognition. Setup instructions for Xbox Series XS and Xbox One. Turn off the console. Connect the wheel via USB and link the controller via micro USB. Press the home button on the wheel. For Nintendo Switch, enable Pro Controller wired communication in settings. Plug into the dock's USB port. For PC, plug and play. May require driver installation for some games. Verdict: the compatibility is impressive, but setup can be slightly finicky on consoles. Performance and features: force feedback and vibration, dual vibration motors, not true force feedback, but provides basic rumble effects. 3 sensitivity levels, adjustable via wheel buttons. Steering precision, 180 degrees rotation, limited compared to 900 degrees plus wheels. Good for arcade racing, NFS, Forza Horizon, but not ideal for hardcore sims. iRacing, Assetto Corsa. Pedal response, non-adjustable resistance, softer than premium pedals. Works well for casual play but lacks granular control. Paddle shifters, metallic finish, tactile click, better than expected at this price. Verdict: a solid budget performer but not for professional sim racing. Programmability and customization. Fully programmable buttons via in-game settings or third-party software on PC. Works with most racing games: Forza, Gran Turismo, F1, Dirt, GTA 5. Game compatibility: Forza Horizon 4/5, F1 2025, Gran Turismo Sport, Need for Speed Heat, Dirt Rally 2.0, GTA 5, with mods on PC. Pros and cons. Pros: multi-platform compatibility, affordable price, decent paddle shifters, Easy setup, mostly plug and play. Cons: no true force feedback, plastic pedals feel cheap, 80 degrees rotation limits realism, suction cups could be stronger. Final verdict: best for casual gamers, beginners, multi-platform users. Not for hardcore sim racers needing force feedback. Final thoughts: the Superdrive SV450 is a great budget option for those who want a functional racing wheel without spending hundreds. While it lacks advanced features like force feedback, its wide compatibility and decent performance make it a solid choice for casual racing fans. Would you recommend it? Yes, if you play arcade/semi-sim racers and want an affordable wheel. No, if you need professional-grade force feedback for iRacing/Assetto Corsa. Conclusion: for under $150, the Superdrive SV450 delivers good value, especially for Xbox, Switch, and PS4 players. If you're on a tight budget and want a taste of wheel racing, this is a worthy contender.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.